Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA ignition replacement front upper left control arm. So this is going to be the driver's side front upper control arm, and if it fits a variety of GM vehicles, including Cadillac, Chevy, and GMC trucks and SUVs, so the Silverado 1500, Suburban, Tahoe, Sierra, and Yukon, from about 2007 to 2016, depending on the vehicle model. So this control arm is a complete assembly, so you can see the actual control arm is included here. There's new control arm bushings that are pre-pressed in, and there's a new ball joint included, complete with the castle nut. Now, on the back side of the control arm here, you'll see that there is a new Zerk fitting for greasing the ball joint. You want to make sure that you put grease in place when you install the control arm. And you'll also want to make sure when you're installing the control arm that you're removing this cover. This cover, all that is to protect the ball joint in shipping. Now, if you guys have any questions about this control arm, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help.